Ang topic po natin ngayon ay tungkol sa magnesium-rich foods. Number 1, chives. Ito ang dahon ng sibuyas. Number 2, spinach. Number 3, flax seeds. 4, okra. 5, broccoli. 6, basil. 7, dill. 8, cacao. 9, Brazil nuts. 10, pumpkin seeds. 11, almonds. 12, pine nuts. 13, watermelon seeds. 14, spearmints. 15, sesame seeds. And number 16, sunflower seeds. Coming soon, isa-isahin po natin i-discuss ang 16 na magnesium-rich food. Magandang araw po sa inyo.